Hey, welcome back. I'm going fishing tomorrow morning. Why don't you come along, check it out. I've just got a few things to do first. Morning. Today we're fishing an incoming tide. I'm here with Nick. You might remember Nick from videos such as throw a chicken breast in the ocean and see how you get on.
Oh, how do I turn it round, Steve? It's looking at me, mate.
Rubber bands are an important part of drone fishing. Could be the difference between catching the fish and not. Fish on.
Breaks out of control, takes over your soul, nowhere to run. Immediate threat of destruction. Unconditional hate, they're sealing your fate. Conspiracy. Restrained by the ashes under me.
Oh yeah, it's still on there.
Chained from within. Forsaken my will. For supremacy you can't deny. Fueled by agony to realize. Hate.
That might be nothing. Might be just a sinker.
Final legacy you realize. Hate. Rage.
At least it's a gurnard. I don't think it'll be a very big one. Oh, it's a gurnard. Awesome. Fish of the day. First fish.
with Simon up in smoke helps cement you where you broke.
Do you want to keep that one, or are we just going to use it for bait?
Bait. Do bait. Do you reckon?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah, no, it's good stuff.
Fish on. It must be swimming towards me, because it's definitely not putting up much of a fight. Gee, that might even be a carway. It's just from that wave there. It's just woken up now. It's still there. It's gone pretty quiet. Oh no. There it is, another gurnet. Beautiful. Come on, Nick.
Well, being up as far as I go, didn't really go. I went up to the plant. This is interesting. Why is there a name again?
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.